boycott China movement. That are first question, is Zoom video conferencing app and Chinese app? Second question, is PUBG Mobile a Chinese app? So now in this video I am going to answer these two questions with explanation and information, and I am also sharing that should we use these apps. So let's get started.
Before getting started, please subscribe Quick Knowledge channel and press the bell icon beside it so that you will get latest notifications and updates of this channel.
Now we'll discuss about the first question, that is Zoom a Chinese app? The answer to is no. Zoom is not a Chinese app and it's an American based company. Zoom is created by Zoom Video Communication, which is an American based tech company. The Zoom headquarters are located in California, United States of America. So you may be thinking that why we all are thinking that Zoom is a Chinese app. So now I will discuss you the two main reasons why people are thinking that Zoom is a Chinese app. First reason is the birthplace of founder and CEO of Zoom, Mr. Eric Schwan. So many think that Eric Schwan is a Chinese person and Zoom is founded by a Chinese. So Zoom is automatically a Chinese organization. No, it is wrong. Eric Schwan settled in US in 1997 and got the citizenship of United States of America in 2007, and Zoom Video Communications was found in 2013. Now this only answers to your question that when Eric Schwan founded or created the Zoom, he was an US citizen and now also he is a US citizen. Now you will see the founder of Zoom is a US citizen and Zoom also belongs to USA. So Zoom is an American based company. Many people believe this only and get along with wrong information that Zoom is a Chinese company. The next reason is the presence of data center of Zoom in China. Many have been receiving server links which are associated with China's data center in Zoom, and many people are thinking that data center is in China, so Zoom is a Chinese application. You're wrong. Eric Schwan, the CEO of Zoom, stated that Zoom is a multinational global company. So Zoom has many offices, many employees, many data centers across the world for easy communication. He also stated that United States of America has 17 data centers of Zoom and China has only one core data center. So now you can only see that these data centers are used for servers of Zoom to communicate easily. Actually, for a global multinational company, for communication, a company needs to have various data centers across the globe. So that's why Zoom has set up a data center in China also, where people use Zoom frequently. So that is why there are employees and offices which are there for Zoom. So employees are working from China also. Why not? There are so many employees and offices present across the globe. So that is why I prove that Zoom is an United States of America based tech company. So don't prove yourself that Zoom is a Chinese application. Now we will move on to the next question. Is PUBG a Chinese app? The answer to the second question is definitely yes. PUBG is a Chinese app, but to answer this question, it's more complicated. You may not understand when it is more complicated. To be understand, first I will explain you about the PUBG history. So, South Korean video game making company, which is called as Bluehole, now renamed it as PUBG Corporation, created a game called Players Unknown Battleground, which is known as PUBG. But what South Korean created was not a mobile version, it was PC version and other console versions. So as days passed, months passed, this game was very popular in these versions. So after that you may get a doubt that how it is linked to China. Now, well, later South Korean video gaming company partnered with China's biggest video gaming company called Tencent Games. So why they partnered, you may also get a doubt, because this PUBG, the South Korean company, was needed to enter the China market. Means it needed PUBG to enter the China market. Now you may get another doubt, why PUBG needed to enter China market? Because at that time PUBG was banned in China. After partnering, Tencent Games launched the new version of PUBG, which is in mobile. Now what we are using popular, that is PUBG Mobile. In mobile phones we play PUBG. So other than this version, PUBG Mobile has become more popular, and eventually this becomes a Chinese app but with a South Korean origin. Now you may get a doubt that you are saying Chinese app and you are saying South Korean origin. What we should do? So don't get confused, it's a Chinese app, but only mobile version is a Chinese app. Other PC and console versions are not Chinese apps. So let's get sure that in this video, the conclusion of this video is that Zoom is not a Chinese app. It's an American based company. And PUBG Mobile, I'm not talking about the PC versions and console versions, PUBG Mobile is a Chinese app. So I request you to better delete the PUBG Mobile app from your phone. You can also enjoy many other apps which are there. So I can't request you to play these games because I only request to just use Indian apps, because my first priority, and I hope you that viewers first priority should be our own country, India. I also don't request you to use Zoom. There are many alternate versions of Zoom. Why I am telling not to use Zoom? Because of its security concerns which have been growing day by day. Zoom company has also been very sad about this security concerns and trying to resolve them. But I request you to use our alternate versions of Indian alternate versions. Like I said you in my previous video, Boycott China, which you can see at the above I button and the link in the description. I have given the alternate for Zoom, Say Namaste video conferencing app. So in these moments, like many apps will come from different countries and make a lot of money in India and just backstab India. But to prevent all this, to make our economy grow faster than any countries, just use our country. Just encourage Swadeshi movement. Just encourage Atmanirbhar campaign, which was started by the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Shri Narendra Modi. So let's support to our India. Delete these apps. Make alternate version. There are many Indian alternate versions of this. When you will use them, they will upgrade more. So I hope that you understand this video. So if you have any queries, any opinions on this movement, any queries about this video, please write down in the comment section below. Thank you.